Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's focus on the Dow futures as they're having another strong session today, up about 1% currently, and we are seeing them now up for a sixth consecutive session and to new all-time highs. And I want to point out, when you look at the June futures, now that June has taken over the lead month, we are seeing the rolling of positions, and volumes in June now outpace the volumes in March. So that's something to be aware of. I'm looking at June future right around 32,676 currently. And some of the factors playing into why I think we're seeing this continued divergence between the various equity index futures markets, that rotation trade continues to unfold. We did see rates higher today. That certainly seems to be beneficial to the Dow futures and the Russell futures to some extent. As the tech sector continues to struggle in this environment, because the perception is that higher rates are going to have a bigger impact on those names relative to some of the other areas. And the Dow futures certainly focused on that reopening trade as well. When you look at the industrial areas of transportation, some of the names within the Dow that are benefiting significantly from this recent rotation. Now, looking at today's price action, the Dow futures were up about 1%. The Russell futures up about 0.75%. The S&P futures were able to eke out a gain here today as well, so they were up about 25 basis points, but the NASDAQ futures down about 0.75% today. So once again, a very volatile session when you look at the divergence between the various equity index futures markets.